Every image takes us back to the first steps of a journey that began decades ago. The photos of the first DEUTZ-FAHR models tell the story of a vision, a passion that has spanned generations. Frame by frame, we relive moments that are the foundation of our present, deep roots that continue to guide us toward the future. In the orchards of America, the same commitment connects us with those who work with DEUTZ-FAHR. Every season is a new chapter. Every harvest is a testament to the bond between tradition and innovation. DEUTZ-FAHR stands by his farmers, the backbone of a nation, helping them write their story day by day. DEUTZ-FAHR technology evolves to meet the needs of the future, with innovative design and unmatched durability. Every component is optimized for superior performance. From the transmission system to precision control, this tractor embodies years of development and innovation. The cabin interior is designed to provide maximum comfort and safety. Every function is intuitive and crafted with the worker in mind, ensuring a comfortable and productive experience in any condition. Advanced connectivity, DEUTZ-FAHR brings technology directly to the orchards, where every action is optimized for efficiency. It's a true revolution, connecting the present and the future of agriculture. Our gaze is fixed on tomorrow, on a future built every single day. Our mission is clear: to create cutting-edge solutions that remain a benchmark in agriculture, for a tradition that never stops evolving. For over a century, DEUTZ-FAHR has stood by those who work the land. Innovation, rooted in tradition.